In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Thinkorswim background color. If you spend a lot of time looking at charts, the background color can make a big difference in comfort and clarity. Maybe you prefer a dark background for lower eye strain, or a lighter tone to print-friendly screenshots. Whatever your reason, the process is quick, and you'll see your changes instantly. First, open your chart in Thinkorswim. Make sure you're on the Charts section with a symbol loaded so you can preview your updates in real time. If you work with multiple charts in a grid, click into the specific chart you want to adjust so the settings apply to the right one. Next, look toward the top of the chart for the gear icon. It's a small settings gear near the upper right of the chart area. Click that to open the Chart Settings window. This is the control center for display preferences and will let you change how everything looks without affecting your data. Inside Chart Settings, go to the Appearance tab. You'll see options that control visual elements like candles, volume, and other styling choices. We're here just for the background, so you won't need to touch anything else unless you want to fine-tune your overall look later. Find the background option. Click the color box to open the color choices. Depending on your version, you may see a quick set of swatches right away. If you see a More button, click it to open the full color picker. That expanded view gives you greater control over hue, saturation, and brightness, and often includes a wider palette so you can dial in a precise shade. Now pick the color you want and preview it on your chart. Aim for strong contrast with your candles and studies, so price bars and indicators remain easy to read. Dark gray or near black works well with bright candles, while soft off-white can be easier on the eyes than pure white. When you're happy, click Apply to see the change without closing the window, or click OK to save and close. If you change your mind, you can reopen settings and choose a different color at any time. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Subtle, neutral tones tend to reduce glare during long sessions, and consistent backgrounds across your charts help you scan faster. If you use multiple chart windows, repeat these steps on each one you want to update for a uniform workspace. That's it. You've just customized your Thinkorswim background color, making your charts easier and more comfortable to read. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new setup.